You know, we didn't get a whole lot of time to actually start working on this truck, but I think you can see the potential what we got to work with here.
We saw the big reveal.
Yeah.
It was very exciting. You know, we start thinking about the future plans. But here's another thing that we want to do, right? We're going to work on this from time to time, but it could sit for weeks at a time, and we wouldn't pay any attention to it. So we want to make sure that we don't have any unexpected guests showing up at this party, right? This is invitation only. So we're going to throw a Mouseblocker Pro in there and keep the mice out of there.
You know, the thing is, we got enough work to do on this thing. Last thing we need is a mouse or mice coming in and chewing through all the wirings and making this project much bigger than it needs to be.
I like this because it's like when we have them on the show and they talk about it's violent in there for the mice. And the mice are like, get me the heck out of here. I want nothing to do with it. Which the mice might think that in its current configuration anyway. But this is just a little added insurance.
You know, you think about the mice being inside there. The smell in this thing is so bad. I think some raccoons were living inside of this was its home, so we got someone to fix that too.
There's a den or a nest or something going on in there. So we've got an odor eliminator as well. So we'll get some water on this. We'll get that hooked up, and then we can start on this whenever we get the time.